How to develop a good research topic. Step-by-step guide for beginners to conduct research. How to develop a good research topic. Before selecting a topic or starting your research, make sure you understand your assignment. Consider, have you been assigned a topic or can you pick your own? How many pages or words do you need to write? How long is your presentation? Do you need to include specific types of sources, for example, scholarly journal, book, etc.? When is the assignment due? How much time do you have to research? Is currency of information important? When in doubt, consult with your instructor. There are a list of 5 questions for good research topic. What do you already know about your subject? Keep a list of key words, names, and events. How long has your subject existed? Is it a relatively new concept with a lot published about it, or new and undiscovered? What discipline does your topic fall into? A discipline is an area of study or branch of learning, for example, history, biology, each has its own best starting points. How are you viewing the topic? Think about what you are planning to emphasize: politics, history, or another aspect. What's the timing? How long do you have to do this project? How long does it need to be? There are 3 approaches for developing a topic. Number 1 approach is list keywords of interest. Make lists of concepts and topics you find interesting, as well as lists of related words and synonyms. These can serve as your key search terms. So, you will make concept 1, concept 2 and look for. In first to fourth example, you can compare and contrast the concept 1, concept 2 and look for. In this way, you can find a research topic. The second approach is draw it out. Sketch out the relationships between ideas. This diagram will help how you will connect ideas for your research. The third approach is define the sentence. Write an explanation of your topic, justifying it on multiple levels. I am studying conformity in Wolff's Orlando. In order to find out how Orlando's efforts to conform and fit in change over time. In order to help my reader understand the role maturity and self-awareness play in the character's efforts to conform to societal norms. Kindly subscribe my YouTube channel Thesis Helper. Thanks for watching.